कैमरा
लाइट आ रही है।
चल बाइट कर दो।
हाँ मैंने देखा यहाँ पे जो बाल कलर
टाइम लगता है तो आगे चला सकते अपने हिसाब से। और ये लेडीज लोग के स्पेशल बैरिकेड डाला है, जब लेडीज लोग बैठते हैं तो हिसाब से कोई बाल काट रहे हैं तो थोड़ा प्राइवेट फोटोग्राफर ठीक है।
उनके व्हाट्सएप
As far as beauty should be natural as such. Do you think beauty can be artificial also?
I think that you can always get a little bit of help. Beauty of course should be natural और मैं भी मानती हूँ कि अंदर से अगर ब्यूटी है, अगर आप अंदर से हेल्दी होते हैं या खुश होते हैं तो वो बाहर अच्छा लगता है। लेकिन अब सब की मतलब हेल्प की ज़रूरत तो होती है। I think when you have a beautiful salon, you have wonderful staff that help make your nails and your hair look good, especially hair मेरे लिए, then it can only help.
And how far makeup conscious are you as an individual?
नॉर्मली तो मुझे मेकअप पहनना अच्छा नहीं लगता है और मैं कम ही पहनती हूँ। लाइक टू हाईलाइट माई आईज, तो मैं हर दिन मस्कारा पहनती हूँ एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ लिपस्टिक।
लोगों को पसंद नहीं करोगे तो नहीं हो पाएगा, बता रहे हैं। दादा
हमेशा जी सबसे पहले तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे के बारे में?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत जगह है, बहुत एलिगेंट, ऐसा लगता है कि घर का माहौल है, लगता ही नहीं जैसे कुछ सस्ते में स्पा है, एक हाई एंड स्पा सैलून है, बहुत ही अप मार्केट, बहुत खूबसूरत। ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ जब आप एंट्री लो और यहाँ आओ तो आप अपने सब प्रॉब्लम्स छोड़ के यहाँ आ सकते हो ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। और प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत हाई एंड के प्रोडक्ट्स है, बहुत अच्छे हैं। और जितने भी स्पा खोले, जितने भी सैलून खुल जाएं सिटी में उतना कम है, क्योंकि लोगों को आजकल इतना अपने सेहत का, अपने लुक का ध्यान होता है कि अच्छे सैलून्स होना, एक क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है।
Okay, Amisha, what are the three things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with any brand?
That they should have a certain standard, a quality, because you're endorsing something that the public should come, and I think that the You and Me Spa has that. The salon is really upmarket, and it's something that as an actor, even I would feel comfortable to come to. So definitely it's something that I'm happy to come and inaugurate.
Okay, what happened in your professional front was then pipeline?
Right now, as you know, Desi Magic, my home production, has my focus. So it's taken away all my energy because camera ke piche rehna for the first time is very different and very time consuming, needs all my attention. And मैं चाहती हूँ that I can give it my best. I will be making a couple of announcements soon, so you will know.
Okay, हमेशा बॉलीवुड में से ऐसा कौन सा बाल आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
मुझे लगता है कि पहले से लेके आज तक रेखा जी के बाल सचमुच खूबसूरत है, वो मेंटेन बहुत खूबसूरती से किए हैं। और हाँ, उनके बाल डिम्पल कपाड़िया बहुत ही खूबसूरत बाल। मैं बचपन से उनकी फैन हूँ, उनके बाल की वजह से।
Okay, Amisha, what do you prefer, normally while doing the shopping, online or offline?
Offline. I'm not an online person because I like to see the product in front of me. I like to feel it. I like to assess whether I would like it. I'm not an online shopper at all.
If given an opportunity, offline will come to your place and deliver the product or the goods you want to, what will be your take? What will be your view on that?
Well, offline is very popular, and it's not like I haven't shopped online, and I've enjoyed it. But yeah, you have to. There is a certain risk that you take online because picture can be very deceiving, and when you finally get the product, you don't know whether it's actually up to mark or not. So yes, that's a certain risk that you do take. So it would be a nice thing if the online people said, look, you have a return back policy as well.
Amisha, any hairstyling tip you want to give to audience?
Well, always keep your hair clean. Avoid using heat processes as much as possible. Do regular hair spas at the salon. Oil massages, they're very good for the healthy and healthy scalp.
Thank you so much. Let her go. Ma'am, just one idea. After a long gap, tell us how come you are here. Definitely you'll be here.
No, I'm here to wish my friend for the opening of his new salon, and it's quite amazing. If you see, I'm sure you all have shot it. It looks quite cutting edge, very modern, state of the art, and it's really nice to have something like this in this area to cater to, I'm sure, a lot of people, and a lot of them will be happy to come over here.
After what are the things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with it?
I'm not associating myself with a brand. I'm merely here to wish a friend of mine. I think a couple of things that you would like to find in a brand is it just depends on what the brand is. Whether you can look at yourself endorsing something like this, whether you see yourself to be a part of this, whether all of it makes sense to you, and at the same time whether you feel that it will cater to the audience in a large way, and the audience, the society, the people your customers or your clients will actually like it. That's what's very important.
Good looking and handsome. That should be you to realize this.
Well, thank you. I'll first thank you for the compliment that you gave. But I think there are different people who have different likes and tastes as to what they want. Some people like to do things to themselves. Some people don't like to do things to themselves. So it's just you cater to a different section of society.
Okay, what happened in your professional film? What's there in the pipeline?
What's there in the pipeline is that I've just finished a film called Kya Cool Hai Hum, a third part of the franchise, and I'm just finishing a which again is another franchise. And both these films most likely will release the first quarter of 2016.
For which you're most excited for? Kya Cool Hai Hum?
I'm excited about everything. No, I mean, see, it's been a while. My last release was in 2013, which was Red. And I'm always excited about every film that I do because I have been a little selective about the work that I have done. For these two films are something that I'm really excited about. They're both crazy comedies, and I think there is a large section of society that loves cinema. So I'm looking forward to both of them. Both are very different again from each other. They both sound like they're adult comedies, but they're both very different from each other.
आपका सेंसर बोर्ड का भी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मिली है, तो उसको लेकर क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपको फिल्म को लेकर? एडल्ट कॉमेडी पर तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप, किस तरह की एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपको सेंसर बोर्ड से इसके ऊपर?
देखिए, प्रोड्यूसर तो मैं नहीं हूँ, लेकिन एक्टर की हैसियत से मैं यही चाहूँगा कि सेंसर बोर्ड allows films to come out because they're not there's a large audience for this film. And Grandmaster did release 2013 में रिलीज हुई थी, और हालांकि बहुत अप्रिशिएट हुई थी, 100 करोड़ का धंधा भी कर चुकी है. So that is a clear indicator कि हमारे सोसाइटी में ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो इस तरह की फिल्में देखना चाहते हैं. बट ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल एज किसी को ऑफेंड ना करें, या जितना आप entertaining बना सके, funny बना सके, उतना बनाएं. That's what my personal views are. But again, I'm not part of the censor board and I'm not the producer of these films. But I'm definitely a big part of these films. So I would just hope and pray कि ये films जो है they go through the censor smoothly, and you know everybody who's watching can get to watch the film.
Okay, the last one. What do you prefer? You know, the online shopping, doing shopping, or offline thing?
But I think we're in a space and age today कि यहाँ पर सब कुछ ऑनलाइन जा रहे हैं. You know, coming from an era जहाँ पर सब कुछ ऑफलाइन मिलता था, दुकान में जाकर सब कुछ खरीद सकते थे, आज सब कुछ ऑनलाइन मिल रहा है. तो ऐसी बहुत कम चीज़ें रहेगी भविष्य में जो आपको ऑफलाइन मिलेगी. सारी चीज़ें ऑनलाइन ही मिलेगी. So if they're going in through that transitional phase, this country is going through that phase. After one IDP.
फायदे में फायदा है. चलो,
क्या खास वजह यहाँ?
आई थिंक बबलू भाई जो भाई की तरह, मैं छोटा भाई कहूँगा नहीं तो उनको बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन छोटे भाई है मेरे, और कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया है, क्योंकि ये आज का कॉन्सेप्ट है ही. आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से मेड स्पा कहूँगा इसे मैं, ना कि जो स्पा, क्योंकि बुढ़ापे की रिक्वायरमेंट्स और बुढ़ापे की जो लाठी कहते थे लोग, वो यही है. और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि बबलू भाई ने ये स्टार्ट किया खुद के उम्र का भी ख्याल रखते हुए. तो कहाँ है बबलू भाई?
Okay, sir, are you satisfied with the response of Telugu as such?
I mean, see, the response we'll get to know tomorrow, but through what I've seen, and you know, I'm someone who's always followed anything and everything that happens new very, very closely from a business aspect also. You know, e-commerce has taken over everything. But I think food and lifestyle is something it cannot take over. So I think this is a growing business and a very huge segment when it comes to growth in business.
Okay, what are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with the brand?
I guess the promoters, how good the idea, the concept of the brand is, and of course how much money is going to make me.
Okay, you know, do you prefer online or offline? You know, when we talk about the shopping, you know,
I'm from the old school, so offline, but my children prefer online. I think today or tomorrow we'll have to go on to the online platform. The online platform is going to take over. But like I said, you know, businesses like this, you cannot have online. A business like food, restaurant, of course you can order it, but the experience you cannot. So whether it's entertainment, whether it's food, or whether it's lifestyle, anything related to lifestyle will remain lifestyle when you have a touch, feel, and you experience it. Whereas people who've experienced things in life, and I would always like to keep it.
Sergey, what's happening to professional film? What's the end of acting?
Professional, right now I'm doing nothing. I've got no films at all. I'm not acting in any film. It's a clean slate. I'm enjoying myself. I am exploring a few things. Of course, apart from my lifestyle business of my development. In another 2-3 days, I'll launch something on the entertainment front. On the 2nd, as a matter of fact, I'm going to launch it, and I think people will identify that with me, and That's something that is very large, very huge, which I've been working for the last 2 years. So I think that's what I'm looking for, and I have a clean slate. So if there are any good roles, let me know.
Okay, and now it means you're going on another path. It means you're launching something online, or what would it be, or it will be a surprise?
It will be a surprise, and it will be on every platform that there is, because I need to cover, like an octopus, I need to cover all aspects of it, because it is a platform that is the need of the hour today, and it is a platform it's something that I'm doing that should be available online, offline, physically, brick and mortar, every model.
सुनील सर, आलिया को जो है बॉलीवुड में एक्सेप्ट कर लिया गया है, फिल्म को भी काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है, तो इसे आप कैसे लेते हो? हाउ द फीलिंग है?
इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक फीलिंग जब छोटे बच्चे आज मेरे को कहीं एयरपोर्ट में मिलते हैं तो और माँ बोलती है कि बेटा पहचाना उनको, तो ऐसे देखते हैं मुझे कि ये कौन है दड़ियल। जब माँ के बोलती है कि आतिया के पापा है, I mean, there's suddenly a light in their eyes. So, thanks to Atiya, मुझे वो generation के साथ भी connect मिल रहा है, which is fantastic. So, as an actor, I'm very happy, of course. And as a father, I'm happier because, finally every father wants people to say that this is Atiya's father and not Sunil Shetty's daughter. So, I love it. And genuinely thank you to the media. You have done a fantastic job with the children. Given them a pedestal like this, love you for that.
Okay, last one. Do you get emotional when
I get extremely emotional.
When someone comes across and says, he's Atiya's father?
Absolutely, I do get emotional. I am a very emotional person, and whatever I've achieved in the industry is because of emotions. Whatever I've lost in the industry is because of emotions. But I think finally the achievements matter more than what I've lost. But and that's the way I'll always be.
Thank you.
No IDs.